Hey and welcome back. In the previous video, we have learned to set up our project and the UI that we are going to need for this project. The first thing that we are going to do now is to set up our RTMP client. So inside the util package, I'll add a new Kotlin class and name it RTMP Client. So this class has to be annotated as the singleton, and inside the constructor we should have the context of type context and a surface view of type HKSurfaceView and a listener of type listener that I'll create in a second. This is an interface for starting and stopping stream. So we should have two functions on stream connected and the other one, of course, on stream closed. Simple as that. And we have the callback here. So to start, we should have a variable named connection of type RTMP connection. We're going to use this like this, RTMP connection, simple as that. And the next one is going to be stream of type RTMP stream. These are two variables that are necessary for our HashiCorp library to start stream, and we simply pass the context and connection to it. And the next thing is our video source, which is responsible to open the camera and provide the image of the camera. This is going to be of type camera2 source, and we are going to initiate it lazily like this. We'll create a new camera2 source object and pass the context to it. Also apply that you should open the camera characteristic dot lens facing back. Simple as that. And the last thing to create is the audio source. Of course, this is going to be of type audio source, and we will instantiate it lazily. Audio source of type HashiCorp media. We'll create audio record source from HashiCorp library and pass context to it. So first thing inside the init block, we should attach the audio. Of course, we should add a video source to it. Let's attach video. Now we have two general functions. The first one is start, easy guess. We'll have a stream name with string type, and on stream started, a callback that will return a stream of type HashiCorp, and return type of it is just unit. Now you need to set some property to your stream. As the audio setting, that's bitrate, I'll make it 128 times 1000, and some other property that I'll just copy and paste. So this is the resolution, this is the bitrate. Now it's time to connect the connection to the YouTube URL and then start publishing the stream. So to retrieve this URL, you always have to go to your YouTube panel and use one of these two. I'll simply just copy this one and paste it here. And after connecting the connection, it's time to publish the stream with the stream name, of course. And then we should make sure that we invoke the callback. The next function is going to be stop function. We are going to use try catch block here. Inside the try block, we will use the video source dot close and audio source dot stop running. Close the stream and then close the connection. Simple as that. The next function is switch camera. You should just use the video source and simply press the switch camera function on it. Now, before we forget, we should be able to detect the stream events. So we should use the connection and add event listener to it. Let's name it events.rtmp status and make this class responsible to listen for the stream events. So let's RTMP client handle events. Also, do not forget that we should preview this stream to SurfaceView that we are receiving from the constructor. So we should be able to attach the stream to the SurfaceView. Simple as that. Now let's go inside the handle events as the last part of this class. We are receiving some events time to time using events.data2string. So we will check if this event contains this code. Actually, this is a hard code inside this library, and also events.type is equal to RTMP status. We know that, hey, the stream is started, so we will use the callback. And if events that's data to string contains this line, connection closed, and also events.type is RTMP status, we know that the stream is closed. So using these two events listener, we will notify whoever is using this client that stream is connected or disconnected. Now that's it for this part. Let's move to the service part that is responsible to create an instance of this one and then start the stream. So till the next video, see ya.